Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll be discussing one small question how to find out contribution when some details are given in the question. Sales at break-even point is rupees 25,000 and fixed cost is rupees 10,000. What is the amount of total contribution? This is the question we have. So we have got information break-even point sale 25,000 and fixed cost we have 10,000. If we see the marginal cost statement, it will be like this. Sales minus variable cost, we get contribution. From contribution, if we minus fixed cost, we get amount of profit. Now in this question, they have given break-even point sale. Break-even point sales they have given rupees 25,000. Break-even point sales rupees 25,000, which means there is no profit, no loss at this sale. In question they have said fixed cost 10,000. When contribution minus fixed cost, we get nil amount. Contribution minus fixed cost, when we get nil amount, that situation is called as what? Situation of break-even point. Now here contribution we are required to find out and fixed cost is given 10,000. Therefore, amount of contribution will be equal to fixed cost at point of break even. So here contribution will be equal to fixed cost. So our answer is contribution is rupees 10,000. So this question is based on the concept that at break-even point there is no profit, there is no loss. So at break-even point, if we minus from contribution fixed cost, we are going to get the answer nil. That means contribution will be equal to fixed cost at break-even point. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.